What a pretty sight. Early morning, see the sun and its rays shining.
So we made it to Unchahalli parking spot. So we're just walking up and just trying to check how this place is going to be. Hopefully this is going to be good. Okay, hopefully. Okay, and you just have to wait, see how this is going to be. I believe it's going to be a half a kilometer walk for somebody who has traveled from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Half a kilometer is no big deals. Okay, so let's go. It's only an hour of drive from Jog, or even less than that if you're coming actually from SIRSI. So keep that in mind. And why am I going here is, even though there might not be water race, okay, I want to take my chance and see it, because if I just keep waiting for the season, in season, where all can I be? Correct? I mean, I'm a single person, so I cannot send this body in different directions, right? Unless I'm dead. Okay, so I twisted my ankle slightly. That's okay. Okay, so decided to see it, and then I can gauge it how this can be in season, and if it could be good, maybe I'll come back. Maybe. Okay.
Looks like we found a viewpoint. Hopefully there is water. I'm just praying there is water. This is in mid-Jan. There will be less or nothing. Oh, hopefully there is something. There is water. There is water. I'm quite impressed. It's beautiful. What a magical sight. This is the second viewpoint. They've not made any provision, for the steps and all that. And otherwise, I don't know how that would be getting down totally.
Hey, it's windy. Oh shit! What a view! Huh? This season, if there's so much of water, amazing. Correct. Wait. Record avutunda? Avutundi. Wait. So, walking down the steps again for the second time because my friend's drone got lost. So we've hired the locals. Okay, 4 of them. They're going to venture out to find it. We have a vague idea where it is, but clearly we don't know. So we're taking the risk in finding it, because that drone cost about $1.5 lakh. It was not the drone what you saw in the footage. It's another drone that he had. First time he's flying it. He took a risk. First time only he took a risk and he crashed it. Okay. Here we are. Really? Hey, after ಏನು ಗುರುವೆ ಈ ಜಂಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅವನು. Hey, I think we'll call them back. But they don't have any. This boy came.
Papa, ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Sad about boys and the drone boys also.